Hi guys! Today, I'll be showing you how to make the easiest Chinese shrimp fried rice. Pero bago ang lahat, intro muna tayo! Here are the key ingredients that we need for the fried rice. Isama na natin ng 2 cups of cooked rice or mas mainam yung tirang kanin. Feel free to add or skip any of that you're not comfortable with. For the spring onions, we need to separate the white stalk kasi gagamitin natin siyang panggisa. Linisan natin mabuti yung shrimps at tanggalan natin ang black veins or yung tinatawag na shrimp intestines na makikita sa likod ng hipon. Pagkatapos, banlawan pa ng 1 beses para siguradong tanggal lahat ng remnants ng intestine ng hipon. At this point, ipiprito na natin yung shrimps 1 minute each side. Using the same pan na pinagprituhan natin ng shrimps, isatay lang natin ng garlic, white stalk ng spring onions, and red onion. Igisa lang natin na mabuti for about 3 to 4 minutes or hanggang yung texture ng sibuyas magiging translucent. Ihalo na natin ng mixed veggies and stir constantly for about 3 to 4 minutes or until vegetables are tender. Stir in rice, soy sauce and oyster sauce, scrambled eggs, green onions, and stir it constantly for about 3 to 4 minutes until heated through. At panghuli, ihalo na natin ang ating shrimps at patayin ng apoy. Ready na ang ating Chinese shrimp fried rice. Serve and enjoy!